in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. On YouTube, back and type back in another video. I appreciate y'all rocking out me for another one. Look, before we jump into this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up, man. We on the road to 1K. This video's about to be a straight banger. It's gonna be kind of a continuation of the interior update that I've been doing on the Charger. If you have not already seen the last video, I wrapped up my dashboard on the Charger. I popped out the plastic bezel, wrapped up the dash. I'm going back over it today. I'm about to put some plastic pieces on it, you guys. So what I'm doing is taking the wrap off. I'm putting some plastic pieces on it. We're switching it up a little bit. I'll go over the reasons and you guys will kind of see why I'm switching it. But if you want to go to wrap option, that's one of the best ways to update the interior, in my opinion. If you have a set color picked out that you want to stick with permanent, wrap it and be done with it. But for me, it was kind of a project just to see if I could do it. I kind of messed up on the wrap a little bit when I did it myself. I ran out of supplies and it is what it is. So I'm going back over it with some plastic pieces. I'm thinking about wrapping the car though, y'all. So if you want to see the car wrapped, comment down below, show some love, y'all. I'm about to jump straight into this video. All you need is these trim pieces, and you also gonna need the Type S lighting kit. I'll put a picture of that on the screen right now. These trim pieces were 120 altogether. The Type S lighting kit is gonna vary depending on where y'all can find it. If you got points on Amazon, if you got an AutoZone around you, I think they sell them there. But the kit for the Type S lighting kit, and why I say to use that is because it's already cut out to go for the Charger, you guys. So make sure to find this kit. Get all these pieces from the links in the description. And then I will also link some like dash removal pieces and interior car trim removal pieces. That's gonna help. But since you guys aren't gonna have the dashboard already wrapped, you won't even need those. But if you want to take the dashboard out, the front bezel, and wrap it, I'm gonna link those in the description for you. Make sure to watch the first video so you guys know what I'm talking about. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so this is what my interior currently looks like. If you guys have not watched the last video, I've already done this one time. I pulled the dash bezel off. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in this video. I pulled the dash bezel off. I wrapped it in white, matte white from 3M. Then I put everything back on. But my problem is, if you haven't noticed, it started peeling up. It did this because I did not use enough wrap and wrap around the back side of this bezel. So just learn from my mistakes, or really my error in not having enough wrap and like trying it myself before I went to the wrap shop. If you guys want to do the dash bezel wrapped, pull the dash bezel out, buy the wrap, and take it to a wrap shop. Ask for help. Don't sit there like me in the last video and try to wrap it up yourself and run through materials, because that caused this. All right, so I just finished up on the whip. That brass looking so good. Just finished up on the Daytona though. I don't even know how many other Daytonas is sitting on brass monkeys. I ain't gonna lie to you. The OEM brass monkey. Look good though. It's something about that red Brembo. That brass. Crazy thing is, I told y'all how to get with these two on my channel. Make sure y'all watch my other videos, man. I dropped so many gems like throughout the whole process of me buying this car. I pretty much told y'all everything, so. Yes, sir. Let's jump at this interior now. So we about to pop this dash panel off, but real quick, I'm gonna jump into the Type S wiring. How you guys should wire your Type S's. So if you guys didn't see in my previous clip, this is where I start my lighting bar at, right here behind the turn signal. How I wired it, I put a wire under the steering wheel, pushed it under here. There's an opening in this corner. Let me try to get my camera to focus, you guys. There's an opening in this corner, okay? What you do is drop the wire from this corner, tuck it in between here. It's so easy. You tuck it in between here. You can't even see that I have anything wired. And you put the box right there. You see the USB is coming from under here, clipped in here, running next to the seat, the driver's seat, coming out right here and going right in the USB port with the cigarette lighter to USB. This is why I was saying you gonna need that cigarette lighter to USB from Amazon, because the Type S lighting only comes with the cigarette lighter. So this is how you avoid those wires hanging in the front up there. So everything still looks super clean. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Now how to pop out this interior trim piece right here. There's clips right here, clips right here, clips right here, clips right there, and I believe on the left side too. So pretty much wherever this dash piece lays flat at, expect there to be some tension. It's so easy to take off, you guys. Don't be scared though, just be careful. Okay, so y'all see all I did was work my interior trim piece under there, and it has some give under there. If you is jamming into this and you leaving marks, you're doing it too hard. So the whole dash is out. That's why it looks kind of funny right now. But just a piece of advice, start on this side, start working your way down around, pop all these out, pop this side out, then start working your way around the top. Clips on the side of the vents, they just pop out like that. They're so easy. I'm gonna pop those vents out, then pull the dash off and pop this trim piece off next. It's already having some give. Make sure I don't bust one of these clips. Last thing I want to do, unclip that out the back, set this off to the side. I'm gonna pull up on here. Okay, so you pull up on there. Now there's a little tab. You can just take a screwdriver, unplug this. Then there's a screw under here. You want to unscrew that so you can pull the shifter off. Press down on this little button right here on the back side and pull them apart. Now there's one screw on the back side of the gear shifter right here. You want to unscrew that. Be very careful when y'all messing around with this screw that you don't drop it in here. This is what the car looks like afterwards, after I just took the dash pieces out. It was super easy to take out. No gear shift. Can definitely clean up in there, but you gotta see it don't go too far down. But the thing is, if you drop the screw anywhere else, it's fine, because you can pick it up. Literally, you can see the bottom of it. But if you drop it in the gear shift, that's when you'll have a problem. Yeah, so the wrap's coming off super easy. It didn't leave any residue. The wrap that I use is 3M, so make sure to pick up some 3M wrap if you guys are thinking about wrapping the pieces. So I just finished up all the pieces. The plastic piece from Amazon actually looked pretty good. Not even gonna lie to you, it looks way better than it did before. Now I'm about to get to the car. I'm gonna put those cup holders in, and I'm also gonna drop these interior pieces back in the car. Look, it's long overdue. All right, so I was able to clean these vents out too. Now the bezel going back in the same way it came out. All right, so now the dash bezel's back in. Now it's time for this to go right back in. The heat and radio controls, you gotta plug this little cord right back in. Here's another shot during the daytime. Put some new cup holders in there. I'm gonna get you guys some more shots in the nighttime though. So this is what it's looking like into the evening. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. I think that gloss in though, in my opinion. So there's a Type S app that you do. You just go to the Smart Hub and select color. I'm gonna change it to blue. I'm just change it to dark blue. It was purple. I like the purple myself. I'm having on dark blue for this part of the video. So that's the Type S app right there, you guys. Cool. It's responsive too. See the red? Blue. There's another clip of the car at night. That blinking is a Type S box. Just cover that up with a little piece of black tape or something if y'all got it. It's just to show that it's on and functioning. The box does blink. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Yeah, interior head though. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think about my Daytona. There's still a lot of work I want to do to it.
But she coming along smooth though. For real.
Pull a scat pack, I secure that bag,